Okay, today we will have a new concept in fractions called mixed numbers, and you might have known this already, but this will just be some kind of a review. Alright, so mixed numbers, what are mixed numbers? Alright, let's say I have a melon that I cut into 8 pieces, okay? Then one part of the melon is 1/8. Let's show this one, assuming this is one of the 8 pieces. So this is 1/8 of a whole. Alright. As you can see in the figure, 1/8 of a melon is just part of one of the melon, right? And 1/8 is called the proper fraction. It is less than one whole. Okay. Proper fractions means the numerator is smaller than the denominator, and that means it's less than 1. Now if we have more than one whole like this, say one whole fraction, okay? Okay, so the first figure we have 1, that's obviously one whole melon, and the next figure is 1/8 of a melon, right? So as you can see now, if we add these two, we have 1 melon and 1/8 of a melon is equal to 1 and 1/8 melon. So you can just add the whole number and the fraction there, and that will be your mixed number. So 1 and 1/8 is called the mixed number. Okay, 1 and 1/8 is called a mixed number. What is a mixed number? It is the sum of the whole number of a whole number and a fraction. In other words, when you add a whole number and a fraction, it will give you a mixed number. Alright, there shouldn't be a period there. Alright. Okay, so that's a mixed number. A whole number and a fraction. So let's try some exercises. So let's try this hexagon. Okay, so this is one whole hexagon, and there's another whole hexagon, and there's another one, and there's, well, okay, we just assume that this hexagon is not really one whole because we consider the ones that's shaded green as one whole. And for the last figure, you can see it is divided into 6 parts, and only 5 parts are shaded. Okay, so these 3 spinning hexagon, that's 3 whole hexagons, and this one, since it's divided into 6 parts and only 5 were shaded, so that is 5/6 of a whole. Okay, so therefore this whole hexagon is 3 and 5/6. Okay, so let's try these exercises. For letter A, as you can see, you have 2 whole squares shaded blue, so that is 2. And the last figure is divided into 4 parts, and 1 part is shaded, so that's 1/4. So for letter A, you have 2 and 1/4. This figure represents 2 and 1/4. For letter B, you have 3 whole circles shaded purple, and the last figure is a circle that's divided into 3 parts, and 1 part is shaded, so that's 1/3. So for figure in letter B, that's 3 and 1/3. Okay, for letter C, there are 4 stars shaded green. Okay, and the last star is divided into 5 parts where 3 parts are shaded, so therefore that's 4 and 3/5. Okay, for letter D, as you can see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole triangles, and the 6th figure is a triangle that's divided into 2 parts where 1 part is shaded, so therefore that is 5 and 1/2. Okay, so this is just an introduction of mixed numbers.